Taylor, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, this is gonna be a full day of eating for those days when you just have no effort to be cooking, but you still wanna eat healthy and you're kind of getting tempted to maybe get takeout or go to like a drive-thru or something. But no, I got you, girl. I have some really good recipes that are very quick and simple to make that will stop you from doing this, save you that coin, and keep you eating healthy. But before we get right into the video, if you're someone like me who has those days where you're just too lazy to make a healthy meal, then definitely make sure to slap the like button and subscribe for more. We are of course starting off this video with some breakfast. What is quick and easy but also delicious and perfect for on the go? A smoothie. I'm secretly 5 years old. These are the perfect thing to make on these type of days because you can really pack in a lot of fruits, veggies, protein powders, vitamin powders, whatever you want really. You just pack it all into one drink and then you're good to go and ready to carry on with your day. We're keeping it super simple. For the smoothie we have some frozen mango, one banana that is hella ripe, and some collagen peptides. These are really great for your hair, skin, and nails. Some organic hemp hearts. These are going to serve as like my main source of protein for breakfast because I don't really have like a good protein powder to put in here today, but you could definitely do that if you do have one. And also some spinach, of course. Now we're just going to take a big handful of spinach and blend it with the water. This will help the spinach blend up a little better so it's not like chunky or anything. That sounds kind of gross. Now we're gonna do our one banana that is super ripe. It doesn't have to be this ripe, but this is what I have on hand. This is also a great way not to waste your overly ripe banana. Now I'm gonna put 1 scoop of this collagen peptides in there. You can skip this part if you don't have it, that's totally fine. It's just like an extra health bonus if you have it. I'm just gonna add 3 tablespoons of these hemp hearts. These are gonna make it a lot more filling and help you last until lunch. I have a protein powder that works too, but I currently only have chocolate, which is why I didn't really think it would probably mix well with spinach and a banana. Now we're just gonna add 2 cups of this frozen mango. It's very frozen.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yep, it's a green smoothie.
It's fire.
Wow, it's just so good. It's so refreshing. It's absolutely perfect for summertime. Also, I think I forgot to mention that this is actually for 2 servings, but if you want to make it for just yourself, you could like do a little less ingredients or like cut it in half from what I did. Just save it for yourself. You can have it later in the day or have it for breakfast the next day and it's already done and ready for you. Virtual cheers me if you have a drink in your hand. Yay. Quick intermission. Look at this fluffy cutie sleeping. Nolly looks so freaking fluffy right now. What up guys, it's almost 2 o'clock right now. I'm starting to get very hungry, so I'm gonna make some lunch and it's gonna be another super simple recipe. First thing we're gonna need is some lettuce. So I just have this romaine lettuce right here. We're also gonna need a can of tuna. This is the solid white albacore in water tuna. I always get this from Trader Joe's, and I always get the in water one because it's healthier than the one with oil, obviously. But if you guys have seen like my previous videos, then you probably know that I'm kind of obsessed with tuna, but basically I'm just obsessed with seafood in general. I always have tuna on hand, first of all, because they're a great source of protein. This can right here has 29 grams in it, so that's pretty awesome. And this is so easy to like open up, throw on top of a salad, on a sandwich, or even on some rice. So it's just like perfect for days like this when you just don't really feel like doing a lot of work. We're also gonna need some tomatoes to go on top of the salad. This girl smells tuna a mile away. Okay, I'll give you some. 1 second. Okay, hold on. Be a good girl. There you go. Now we're just gonna season the tuna. I like to use Italian seasoning, pepper, salt, and some garlic powder on here. And I kind of just do it to my liking. I try a little bit as I add the seasoning. some lemon juice too. So I'm just mixing up the tuna. It's a little tricky with one hand. Nola, look at this girl. She's fiending for this tuna. I think I'm gonna add just a little bit of this light mayo too, just so it like mix together a little bit better. Probably like this much. Trying to have you guys see me, so I'm kneeling while cutting this lettuce. I'm cutting it on a plate because I just don't want to dirty any more dishes, so screw it. I'm trying to set you guys up. So I'm just gonna start like assembling the salad now. We're gonna add some tomatoes. Just so you guys know, I did wash my hands, by the way. I feel like I never mentioned that, but I did. I'm also sharing this with my boyfriend, so I have to leave something for him. Wow, I'm excited to eat this, but I need to add some dressing. So I just like to do a really simple one, olive oil, and then I started adding some vinegar. This is just rice vinegar. This is what I have on hand, but you could also use like apple cider vinegar. Oh my, that's probably a lot. I love vinegar. Do you guys like vinegar? I feel like you either love it or hate it. It's literally so good. It was so freaking good, guys. I devoured it so quickly. Now I'm just sipping on this Trader Joe's sparkling raspberry lime spring water. This is seriously freezing, but it's super good. So I'm just sipping on this. This is like a great alternative to pop. So my hand's so cold. It's a beautiful day. I'm having a little snack right now, just some hummus, this tomato and basil hummus dip from Trader Joe's. It's so good, and I eat it with these Trader Joe's pretzel slims. They have like everything seasoning on them, and they're just so freaking good. Just a very simple and quick snack. About to start making some dinner. It's like 8:30 right now, so yeah, it's getting a little bit late, so I thought I should probably start. Let me show you guys what is on the menu tonight. It's gonna be so yummy. Zucchini, chicken sausage, red bell pepper, an onion. Lastly, we need some rice. I'm just gonna be using this little packet of rice, if I can grab it. This little packet of rice that is from Trader Joe's. You can pop these in the microwave. I'm so sorry, my freezer is so friggin' loud. You guys have seen me use this a ton, but these are so nice because they just pop in the microwave for 3 minutes and then they're done. And they also have really clean ingredients, no sugar or anything. And yeah, they're just like perfect to have on hand whenever you need to make a quick meal. Thought I was recording, but I just said that I cut up 2 chicken sausages and I'm cooking them in 1 tablespoon of oil. I'm just gonna cook them until like they're browned on each side. While those are cooking, I'm gonna try to cut up all the veggies. So we need some bell pepper, some zucchini, and an onion. And I'm just gonna cut them kind of into like squares, or you know what I mean, like small pieces. Okay, flipping these bad boys. Okay, this looks so aesthetic, I love it. I removed the sausage from the pan. Now I'm just gonna set that to the side for now. And we're gonna add some more olive oil that we're gonna cook the veggies in. Now we're gonna add all our seasonings to the veggies. First we have some salt. I'm just gonna do like a generous amount. Some oregano. I'm just eyeballing all these seasonings. So now we're adding some pepper, some garlic powder. Just gonna mix it all up, and I'm gonna let this cook on here just until the veggies get a little tender, but I don't want them to be like too soggy. I like when they have like a little crunch, so yeah. I'm gonna throw the chicken sausage back in the pan, and we're also gonna add in some minced garlic. I love garlic, so I'm just gonna add like, I don't know, like this much in there. Maybe a little more even. I want my plating to look fancy, so I'm gonna pack this rice in this mug and it'll come out in like a perfect like cylinder. Okay, oh, yay! Okay, but seriously, does this not look fire? Oh my goodness. Wow. 10 out of 10. So yummy. Ending the night with a straight banger of a meal. That was literally so good. As you guys can see, there are ways to make some like lazy healthy meals. Obviously, sometimes you just gotta cave and get that takeout, but you know, if you're really trying to get on your health grind, then that's probably not the best idea. I'm like cuddling with this pillow. Sometimes it just feels nice to hug a pillow. Anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I feel like all the recipes turned out so yummy and delicious, and they're just so easy to make, so I would highly recommend trying out all of them. And of course, if you did enjoy this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. It really helps support my channel, and also leave me a comment down below. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and also a happy 4th of July to everybody. This might be up late, so happy late 4th of July, but I will see you guys in my next video. Stay safe. Love ya. Bye.